10 years. 10 whole years. A decade has passed since the gunshot that ended the life of Bafana and Orlando Pirates goalkeeper Senzo Meyiwa. His murder in 2014 left the nation in shock and a family in grief. 10 years later, the courtroom still echoes with the search for truth. Guys, it's been long. The trial has now entered a new, decisive phase. In early September 2025, Judge Rata Mokwateng of the Pretoria High Court dismissed a Section 174 application brought by accused number 4, Mthokoziseni Maphisa. This legal bid had argued that the state had failed to link him to the crime, but the judge ruled otherwise. The prosecution had presented enough evidence to compel an answer. The state's case stands. It's prima facie, which means that on the face of it, right? So the assumption is that it's strong enough. This ruling shifts the momentum. For the first time, the defense must step forward. They must either bring witnesses, mount a court narrative, or risk a weight of unanswered evidence bearing down on them. Right. Then central to the state's case is a testimony of Constable Sizwe Zungu, the only witness placing all 5 accused together on the night of the murder. His credibility has been fiercely attacked by the defense, who point to contradictions between his affidavit and the court testimony. But Judge Mokwateng's ruling signals that, despite inconsistencies, Zungu's words cannot be dismissed outright. The state's narrative is reinforced by forensics. Ballistic expert Chris Mangena linking a firearm to the fatal shot, and a pathologist, Johannes Steenkamp, describing the close contact that would have left Senzo Meyiwa with only one moment to live. The defense, however, contests the chain of custody, questioning the crime scene and raises doubts about the official version of events. Beneath it all lies a troubling tension. Was this a robbery gone wrong, as the state alleges, or a calculated contextual killing? A defense statement suggests the shadow of a second docket, implicating those present in the house that night, including Kelly Khumalo. It adds a layer of suspicion and public mistrust, 2 stories, 2 dockets in one trial. As the defense prepares for its turn, the stakes could be higher. Do they risk testimony or lean on the cracks they've pried open in the state's case? Either way, the next moves will define the rest of this trial. The Senzo Meyiwa case is no longer just about who pulled the trigger. It's about the credibility of South Africa's justice system, the patience of a grieving nation, and whether truth can survive a decade of delay, confusion, and contradiction. The ruling is clear. The state has laid its card on the table. Now defense must play theirs.